I remember when I lost my mind. There's something so pleasant about that face. Even your emotions, so much echo in space. And when you're out there without care, yeah, I was out of touch. It wasn't because I didn't know now, said I knew too much. Yeah, does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Probably. I hope that you are having the time of your life, but think twice. That's my only advice. Come on now, who do you think you are? Ha ha ha, bless your soul. You really think you're in control? Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Probably. My hero had the heart to live their life out on a limb. And I remember thinking, I wanna be just like them. Yeah. Since I was little, ever since I was little, life looked like fun. And it's no coincidence I've come. And I could die when I'm done. Yeah, I think you're crazy. Maybe I'm crazy. I think you're crazy, just like me. Thank you. The next song I'm going to sing is called Haters, and I wrote this one myself. And I wrote this about 2 years ago when I wasn't very happy with a group of friends. So here we go. I write my own songs and I have my own style. When I write songs, make people smile. Don't care what you think. Them haters can hate, but I'm in it to win it. Everybody smiles like it's okay. I don't wanna be the one to get in people's way. Why don't people just mind their business? I don't wanna be rude, you're taking a pee. Now my daddy always says just to hit them back. There will be no rude like that. I'm a good girl, I don't break the rules. So I get up and I do it, I win, don't lose. Your hatred motivates me to be a success. I'm vain, I'm game, I'm no princess. Well, at least I can change, but you'll always be a witch. And I wear my own crown. You're just a hater. Don't put me down. You're just a faker. And I wear my own crown. You're just a hater. Don't put me down. I'm a smart kid, I know what I'm doing. Don't worry about me, I'll keep on moving higher and higher. Steps reach the top. Stones may hurt me, words do not. Every 20 seconds you repeat my name, cause you can't get me out of your head. I sit like gum to live on my shoe. Watch me stick to my friends like super glue. And I wear my own crown. You're just a hater. Don't put me down. You're just a faker. tried to be the bestest girl that I can be, and now it's clear to me what you've done, how you've been. Just remember all the times you pushed me around. I've grown up and moved on, I follow my own crowd, and I wear my own crown. You're just a hater, don't put me down. You're just a faker, and I wear my own crown. You're just a hater, don't put me down. You're just a faker. Thank you. The next song I'm going to sing is quite a recent one of mine, and I wrote it a couple of months ago now, and it's called Holding On. I keep holding on. I don't know what's wrong. Feel it deep down inside. I can't help but hide. You take the words right out of my mouth. You kept each one and read them all out loud, and ever since deep down I keep holding on, 'cause one day we'll look back at our mistakes, and every step we take, I'll say I remember them all so clearly. It's how I got me. I feel so close, 'cause to me there's only one way I can go. I don't know what to say, 'cause at the same time it's all so far away. You take the words right out of my mouth. You kept each one and read them all out loud, and ever since deep down I keep holding on, 'cause one day we'll look back at our mistakes, and every step we take, I'll say I remember them all so clear. It's how I got me here right now. What have I really got to say? You'll just try to run away right now. I don't want to look back and think to myself, what have I done? So I keep holding on, 'cause one day we'll look back at our mistakes, And every step we take, I'll say, I remember them all so clear. I remember them all so clear. I remember them all so clear. And I keep holding on. Thank you. And the next song, or couple of songs I should say, I'm going to sing, and we kind of put together a mashup in Music GCSE, and it goes a bit like this. Right from the start, you were a thief, you stole my heart. And I, your willing victim, I let you see the parts of me that weren't all that pretty. And with every touch you fix them. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. We pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars. I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. That's alright because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. That's alright because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You don't know me, baby, but I see you around. This might seem kind of crazy, but I'm just new in town. And now I wonder what you think if I say, hey look, I'd like to get your number and a link to your Facebook. And if I tell you what a nice guy's supposed to, would that compel you not to scream when I approach you? You've got to promise me you'll take this news calmly, cause honestly, I'm sort of a zombie. And you'd be surprised you can bet that I may not be alive, but I'm sure as hell ain't dead inside. What's with this shouting? I ain't wishing you harm. You see, I tried to hold your hand, but I'm missing the numb. And brains are all I've eaten this week, it's true, but if my heart was still beating, it would beat for you. Pack up your troubles in your own kit bag. Don't worry about the Calvary. I don't care what the people may say, cause they whisper too loud for me. If I were a boy, even just for a day, I'd roll out of bed in the morning, throw on what I wanted and go. But you're just a boy. Thank you. The next one I'm going to sing is called Secretly Beautiful, and I wrote this with my friend Matilda, who's standing over there, just saying. And we kind of wrote it about our skin and just feeling beautiful inside, and that's kind of what I wanted to give. So here we go. You hide your face, you are afraid to show your story. You hope from prey goes away. You might be happy. Everybody deserves to take off their masks and be who they are, not what people ask. You try to run away to find that happy place where people don't judge you on what you look like, hair falls down so low, so nobody will know just who you really are. You need to walk alone, you try to run away to find that happy place where people don't judge you on what you look like. Secretly beautiful, ooh, oh, secretly beautiful, ooh, oh, secretly beautiful, ooh, oh, secretly beautiful. You're secretly beautiful. You hide your face, you are afraid to show your story. You hope and pray it goes away. You might be happy. Everybody deserves to take off their masks and be who they are, not what people ask. You try to run away to find that happy place where people don't judge you. You're secretly beautiful, ooh, oh, secretly beautiful, ooh, oh, secretly beautiful, ooh, oh, secretly beautiful. Thank you. And the next song I'm going to sing, you'll all probably know because it's in the charts at the moment, and I personally love it. Used to bite my tongue and hold my breath, scared to rock the boat and make a mess. So I said quietly, agree politely. I guess that I forgot I had a voice. Let you push me past the breaking point. I stood for nothing, so I fell for everything. You held me down, so I got up. Get ready, cause I've had enough. You see it all, you see it now. Like thunder gonna shake the ground. You held me down, but I got up. Get ready, cause I've had enough. You see it all, you see it now. I got the eye of the tiger, fighter, dancing through the fire. Cause I am a champion. You're gonna hear me roar louder, louder than a lion. Cause I am a champion. You're gonna hear me roar, you're gonna hear me roar. Now I'm floating like a butterfly, stinging like a bee, I aim to strike. I went from zero to my own hero. You held me down, but I got up. Get ready, cause I've had enough. You see it all, you see it now. Like thunder gonna shake the ground. You held me down, but I got up. Get ready, cause I've had enough. You see it all, you see it now. I got the eye of the tiger, fighter, dancing through the fire. Cause I am a champion. You're gonna hear me roar louder, louder than a lion. Cause I am a champion. You're gonna hear me roar, roar, you're gonna hear me roar. The next song is another one of my own, and this one's called Fly, and I wrote this about 2 years ago. So here we go.
Watch the sand on the beach crumble to pieces and leave the ocean shore in my reach. It crumbles down to the floor. Pebbles stand hand in hand, lining up pebble wall. Knock them down like you knocked me down before. Wind blows by, birds fly high up in the big blue sky. Breathing in, lost my mind, wondering why you made me cry. Birds fly, fly home, fly away around the world. You shot them down like you shot me down before. I want to learn how to fly, reach the mountain peaks and save myself from dying, never forgetting what's true. Wanna live for me and you. I want to learn how to fly. I've watched the ocean spread across the borders of life. I felt the bass of my heart beat with delight. I felt your soft skin love me from deep within and holds me from since I can remember. I want to learn how to fly, reach the mountain peaks and save
The next song I'm going to sing is also one of my own, and it's a little bit more quirky, and it's called Comme moi sans toi. The next song is another cover, and it's called One and Only by Adele. And I'm actually going to dedicate this one to one of my closest friends, Amelia. You've been on my mind. I grow fonder every day. Lose myself in time. Just The next song I'm going to sing is one of my mum's favourite songs of mine, and it's called This Year.
This year, he's gonna buy a boat and sail the seven seas, yeah. This year, he's gonna try to float him away from the doors. This year, he's gonna catch a fish and face his fears. This year, he's gonna buy a boat and sail the seven seas alone, until he finds someone. Right now, she wants to prove herself and set her goals. Right now, she's been so stuck, it's time to grow. Right now, she wants to paint her room indigo. Right now, she wants to prove herself and set her goals alone, until she finds someone. Shade looks, warm hugs, just because that's love. Closed eyes, held tight, kept inside, well that's love. And it don't happen to everyone. Right now, room's too blue, not right, last go. Right now, her future's bright yet still unknown. Right now, she stands by the shore, the air is cold. Right now, she meets his eyes, sitting in his boat alone. They wave, they smile, they go, face to face, chest to chest, only spaces between them. Back to back, turned away, more than arm's length separation. And it's alright until December comes. Then it's a change of heart, all is lost, now it's right back to the start. And it's alright until December comes. Then the new year starts, lonely hearts, love wasn't made for everyone. And that's just how it goes. Thank you.
The next song is my last cover for the night, and it's by Emily Sunday, and it's called Read All About It.
You've got the ways to change a nation, but you're biting your tongue. You've spent a lifetime stuck in silence, afraid that you'll say something wrong. But if no one ever hears it, how we gonna learn your song? So come on, come on, come on, come on. You've got a heart as loud as lion, so I let your voice be tamed. Baby, we're a little different, there's no need to be ashamed. You've got the light to fight the shadows, so stop hiding it away. So come on, come on. I wanna sing, I wanna shout, I wanna scream till the words dry out. So put it in all of your papers, 'cause I'm not afraid. They can read all about it, read all about it. Oh, 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 whoa. At night we're waking up the neighbors while we sing away the blues, making sure that we're remembered, yeah, 'cause we all matter too. If the truth is being forbidden, then we're breaking all the rules. So come on, come on, let's get the TV and the radio to play our tune again. It's about time we get some airplay of our vision of events. There's no need to be afraid, I will sing with you, my friend. So come on, come on. I wanna sing, I wanna shout, I wanna scream till the waves dry out. So put it in all of your papers, 'cause I'm not afraid. They can read all about it, read all about it. Oh, 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 wow. Yeah, we're all wonderful, wonderful people. When did we all get so fearful? And now we're finally finding our voices. So take a chance, come help me sing this. Yeah, we're all wonderful, wonderful people. When did we all get so fearful? And now we're finally finding our voices. So take a chance, come help me sing this. I wanna sing, I wanna shout, I wanna scream till the waves dry out. So put it in all of your papers. I'm not afraid, they can read all about it, read all about it. Oh, thanks. My last song for tonight is called Tiger's Heart, and I wrote this for myself, and hope you like it. And please check out my website, lilybeau.co, and my YouTube channel, Lily Beau Official, LILYBEAU, just Rachel. You're irreplaceable, and now you're saying that you're indestructible. And let me tell you, you're not coming back to me. If you do, you'll catch the flu, and that will be the end of you. You're not half the man that you used to be. I can't count on one hand all you said to me. And let me tell you, you're not coming back to me. If you do, you'll catch the flu, and that will be the end of you. I'm not playing games, you're too late. I was born with a tiger's heart, it's not one you can break. Tomorrow I'll come to my senses, you're not worth the wait. I was born with a tiger's height, it's not one you can break. Tomorrow I'll come to my senses, you're not worth the wait. I am not afraid to let myself go. I am not afraid to let you know that you've been on my mind, 'cause I've been so blind. All I'm saying is please leave your keys behind. I'm not playing games, you're too late. I was born with a tiger's eyes, it's not one you can break. Tomorrow I'll come to my senses, you're not worth the wait. I was born with a tiger's eyes, it's not one you can break. Tomorrow I'll come to my senses, you're not worth
'cause you've been wasting my time. Boy, that's fine, 'cause this is where I draw the line. I was born with a tiger's eyes. It's not one you can break. Tomorrow I'll come to my senses. You're not worth the wait. I was born with a tiger's eyes. It's not one you can break. Tomorrow I'll come to my senses. You're not worth the wait. Thank you. Thank you.